This video is going to help with the 13.1 reteach. So if you are still confused about surface area, be sure to follow along with this video. So here we can always want to look at the base of the shape. So we can see a rectangle here. So this is a rectangular prism because up on the top, we have this exact same rectangle. So it's not pointed together in a pyramid shape. We've got the top and the bottom that are parallel. So we know this is made up of rectangles. So let's go ahead and just look at this bottom piece. So we know it's a rectangle. And let's look at our base is 6 and the height is 4. So label what you know. And that top and the bottom are the same. We have 2 of that same shape. So now let's look at the front here. So the front here, it has a base of 6. So it's a rectangle with a base of 6. And then I'm looking for this height that goes straight up and down. Now this one doesn't have a number. So we want to go around to these different lines that are the same till we find that here. So the height is 5. And this back piece here is the same. So we've got a back and a front that are exactly the same. So we've got 2 of those here. And then we want to do the sides here. So we've got this side is a rectangle. The base is 4 and the height is 5. That same rectangle is on this other side here. So we have 2 of these. So rather than, you can also, draw out the net and say we have these 4 rectangles and 2 on the side and label the measurements. So I think it's a lot easier just to pull them out and break it up piece by piece. So 6 times 4 is 24, but we have 2 of those. So the blue parts are 48. Then our red parts is 6 times 5 is 30, but we have 2 of those is 60. And then we have our green parts, 4 times 5 is 20, but we have 2 of those sides is 40. So here we have 40 and 60 is 100. So we want to add all the pieces together. And another 48 is 148 centimeters squared. So we're still finding just the flat surface of each of these pieces, and then we put it together. So let's try one more of these. So again, we can see this bottom base is a rectangle, and there's that same exact rectangle on top. So let's find our dimensions is 5 by 3. We have 2 of these. So now let's look at our front piece here. So the front is 5. So it's another rectangle. And then this one goes up. So we're looking for that line that goes up is 4. This is the front. There's also a back of that. So this is 5 times 4. And then we have 2 of those. And then last we have the side here. So that's another rectangle. So this side is 3. And then this side, the height here is 4. And I have a left and a right side. So now we just have to do our math. 5 times 3, right? All of these are rectangles. So they're all base times height or length times width. Same thing. 5 times 3 is 15. Doubled, because I have 2 of those, is 30. 5 times 4, this shape is 20, but I have 2 of those is 40. 4 times 3 is 12, but I have 2 of these is 24. So we add these up, 0, 0, and 4 makes 4. 2 plus 4 is 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 94 centimeters squared. So just break it up piece by piece and find each part. How many of them do you have? And then add your pieces together. So go ahead and try your 13.1 reteach. And if you need any help, please be sure to let me know.